Hey, what's up? Sami here. So this is the Huawei Mate 80 RS Ultimate Design Edition, carrying the most expensive bar style phone in the entire Mate 80 lineup. It's supposed to represent the pinnacle of Huawei's technology and craftsmanship, right? So in this video, let's take a quick look at the phone and see whether it justifies that price. And yes, if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you do. In the next few days, I'll be posting detailed comparisons like camera performance, overall user experience, and more against some of the hottest phones right now. The iPhone 17 Pro Max, Vivo X300 Pro, and Oppo Find X9 Pro. So definitely subscribe if you haven't. First, a quick unboxing. Yes, it's already been opened, and a huge thanks to Eva for lending me the phone. She's awesome. Definitely check out her channel. The box honestly feels like a premium gift box, right? Open up and you get the phone itself. Feels really solid, really premium in the hand, to be honest. And the color we have here is the special one exclusive to the Mate 80 RS series. The biscuit's purple. We'll take a closer look in a moment. Under the insert, we get two 66 watts chargers, one with a USB-C port and one with dual USB-C plus one USB-A. I'm not totally sure why Huawei gives you two. Maybe you think you have too many devices to charge. You also get two USB-C to C cables and a small box containing the menu and a purple case that matches your phone. Alright, let's jump to the phone itself. I think there are three things that impress me the most. First, the design. The design of the Mate 80 RS continues the ultra-premium style of the Ultimate Design lineup with upgraded materials and craftsmanship. A high-gloss titanium alloy frame paired with a dual glass construction, but the real magic is on the back. Instead of the ceramic backs from previous generations, the Mate 80 RS uses Huawei's second generation queen glass. On top of that, Huawei applies a complex 3D micro engraving process, which etches light and shadow inside the glass, creating deeper, more dimensional lines. It maintains the iconic family look, but as a ceramic-like texture that feels incredibly refined. Paired with the third-gen Xuanwu hardened queen glass on the front, the whole device feels both luxurious in hand and visually striking. Second, the display. We are looking at a 6.8-inch dual-A OLED flat panel with ultra-slim bezels, supporting 1 to 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate. But more importantly, the Mate 80 RS uses Huawei's ultra-wide color gamut Linon display with 4BT 2020 color gamut support. BT 2020 is the wide color standard used in the professional film industry. In simple terms, it covers more high saturation red, green, cyan, and other color regions compared to the DCI P3 standard used by most flagship phones today. For example, when watching HDR content, switch between DCI P3 and BT 2020 shows a clear difference in color volume. The Mate 80 RS can capture bright area halos, dark area details, and richer high saturation colors, making HDR videos look closer to what your eyes see in real life. As the first smartphone to truly support full-chain BT 2020 color management, it's not just about putting in a beta panel, it requires revamping the entire color pipeline from the screen driver to the content processing. You can achieve this by simply stacking hardware. So the direct benefit is simple. Whether you are shooting high saturation landscapes or sunsets or watching 4K HDR videos, you'll see richer, more vivid, smoother transitions with a wider, more accurate color range. I can definitely feel the difference compared with the regular DCI P3 flagships I'm using today. Third, the camera system. I haven't fully tested yet, but on paper, it looks wild. You get a quad camera setup, 50 megapixel main camera with f1.4 to f4.0 10-step physical variable aperture, 40 megapixel ultra-wide, dual 50 megapixel telephoto lens, one 50 megapixel 4x optical telephoto that also supports macro, 150 megapixel 6.2x optical telephoto. Together, they deliver up to 12.4 times optical quality zoom. Honestly, I cannot wait to compare it with Vivo and Oppo's telephoto extender lens. There's also Huawei's 2nd gen Maple Red primary color engine, designed to restore natural human eye color accuracy and reduce color distortion under complex lighting. I go deeper into this in upcoming videos, so definitely stay tuned. And that's my quick hands-on with the Mate 80Rs. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments. Thanks for watching, and Sami will see you in the next one. Bye bye.